Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can justify text left and right in WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is a very basic tutorial in WPS Office application. This is for you who are still beginners, and I'm going to show you guys about the text alignment. Okay, first of all, if you want to justify or if you want to align your text, you need to select the text first like this. I'm going to select two paragraphs and then we can go to the alignment. Here you can align left, align right, and center, and justify. And I'm applying the justify now. And let's try the align left. Okay, this is for the align left, center, align right, and justify. You just need to choose the one that you need or the one that is suitable for your text. Okay guys, and that's how we can justify left and right in WPS Office application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.